Hello students, my name is Christian and today in the class you are going to learn comparative and superlative sentences. First thing you have to learn is that in English language there are three types of adjectives: short, long, and irregular adjectives. Look at my fingers: short, long, and irregular adjectives. In our first group, we're going to study short adjectives. Examples: old. Old is a short adjective. It has only one syllable. Short adjective. And we have a sentence here with adjective old. This computer is old. Next we have small. This fish is small. Short adjective. Next we have short. Short adjective. This is a short man. Next we have smart. Short adjective. This boy is smart. Next we have soft. This teddy bear is soft. So these are short adjectives because they have one syllable, short. And we have more examples of short adjectives as hot. Repeat: hot, cold, fresh, nice, new, tall. Short adjectives, they have only one or two syllables. All right, next group you are going to learn are long adjectives. Look at my fingers. Long adjectives. And examples of long adjectives that have two or three syllables are difficult. Example: this equation is difficult. Dangerous. Dangerous. Three syllables. Long adjective. This place is dangerous. Go away. Next. Beautiful. A beautiful house. Next. Elegant. They are elegant. Long adjectives. Expensive. This is this car is expensive. Long adjective. And successful. This is a successful businessman. More examples of long adjectives are comfortable, forgetful, and charming. Long adjectives because they have two, three, or more syllables. And the next group you're going to learn are irregular adjectives. And the most important adjectives of this group are good and bad. Good. He is a good student. Bad. Smoking is bad. Only two irregular adjectives. Look at my fingers. Irregular adjectives. All right? Then, once that you understand that there are three types of adjectives: short, long, and irregular adjectives, you are going to learn comparative and superlative sentences. Old, short adjective. Makes a comparative, adding er at the end of the adjective and the word than. Example: this car is older than mine. This car is older than mine. Yeah, this is a comparative sentence. We have two cars, this car and mine, my car. So this car is older than mine. We have two cars. We are comparing two cars. And for that reason, you add er at the end of this short adjective and the word than. The next sentence is in superlative. This is the oldest car of all. This is the oldest car of all. Suppose that there are many cars and this is the oldest car of all. Then you add est at the end of the adjective and you have to use article da, the oldest. Let's work with another adjective. For example, small. Small makes comparative adding er at the end of the adjective and the word than. The yellowfish is smaller than the red fish. I repeat, the yellowfish is smaller than the red fish. So we have two fish, a yellowfish and a red fish. And you make a superlative sentence adding article da and est at the end of the adjective. For example, the purple fish is the oldest of my aquarium. I repeat the sentence. The purple fish is the smallest of my aquarium. Let's work with another adjective. For example, smart. Short adjective, one syllable. It makes a comparative adding er at the end of the adjective and the word than. Henry is smarter than Jack. Then we have two boys, Henry and Jack. And you compare these two children with the adjective smart, er at the end, and the word than. And you make a superlative sentence using article da and adjective smart and est at the end of the sentence. For example, John is the smartest student in the class. He is the smartest. Good class. So this is the same rule for all short adjectives. Er at the end and the word than when you compare, and article da plus est if you want to make a superlative sentence. All right. So this is what happens with short adjectives. Now let's work with long adjectives. For example, difficult. It's a long adjective. Difficult. 3 syllables. Now, you make a comparative sentence of long adjectives using the word more. German is more difficult than French. More difficult than. The word than is also to compare two languages, German and French. German is more difficult than French. You are comparing. Now, to make a superlative sentence, you use article da, word most. German is the most difficult language. It's the most difficult language in the world. It's the most complicated. It's the most difficult to learn. There isn't any one more difficult. Okay. Then let's work with another adjective. For example, dangerous. Dangerous. Long adjective, 3 syllables. Long adjective. Look at my finger. Now, sentence example. This avenue is more dangerous than the boulevard. You use the word more, adjective dangerous, and the word than to compare two places or two things. This avenue and the boulevard. We have two nouns. This avenue is more dangerous than the boulevard. And to make a superlative sentence, you use article the, word most, and adjective. For example, this street is the most dangerous in the city. This street is the most dangerous in the city. Article the word most, and adjective dangerous. And let's work with another example. Beautiful, beautiful, long adjective. Anne is more beautiful than Jenny. Then we have two girls, two women, two nouns. Anne and Jenny. Anne is more beautiful than Jenny. Then you use the word more to compare in case of a long adjective. And the next example is Liz is the most beautiful woman. To make a superlative sentence, you use article the word most, and adjective beautiful. And the same happens with all long adjectives, as elegant, expensive, successful, etc. Then you remember that the third group is irregular adjectives. Let's begin with good. Good makes a comparative sentence with better than. For example, I have a better job now than you. This house is better than that house. This dog is better than that dog. So you use better to compare. Now, the best is the superlative. He has the best grades of all the students. He is the best soccer player in the world. This is the best TV show. And but, for example, drinking is worse than smoking. We have two nouns here, drinking and smoking, and we are comparing. Then you use worse. And in case of superlative, you use the worst. For example, smoking is the worst habit. The worst. So this is the end of the class. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next class.